Well, good morning, ladies and gents. I've done a little bit of work this morning already, getting the video uploaded from yesterday, and I've actually came out to listen to the Corvette. It was making the wom 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 noise when driving down the road. I suspected it was a wheel bearing. My suspicions were correct. So we have at least a right rear THQ or TRQ, I can't remember the name. They've got a set on their website for 85 bucks, so I'm just gonna order the set. The fronts are good, I double checked those already, just needs the rear wheel bearings. I think that's gonna fix our issue with the vibration when driving down the road. I need to get the headlight repaired today, and then the driver's side headlight isn't going up and down, and I suspect it has something to do with those. I don't know where these are supposed to be because I didn't take the car apart, but I'm gonna look at some videos and look at some photos and see if I can find where those are supposed to go, because when the hood's down, the headlight sits right here and it's actually catching on those. So maybe I'll just no, that's not gonna work. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find out where those go. I found out where they went. They would go right there, clip in right down there. Slightly off from where it was, but not a big deal. Now the headlight can move up and down freely without any issues. Well, I'm this far taking apart the headlight. Just gotta get this cap off, replace these little bushings, and then put it back together. It's all put back together. I'm gonna go reinstall it in the Corvette and we'll make sure it works. Shouldn't have any issues. The headlight's back in. Looks mostly properly aligned. Let's test it out. Not too shabby. Doesn't like closing, but opening's fine. I'm not worried about that. Just out of curiosity, I checked the driver's side wheel bearing on the rear and it's totally fine. Just that passenger side one. I just greased up all the doors, greased up all the hinges and whatnot. Can't really think of anything else that I need to do on it right now. I do need to replace the seals, but I don't have those. The weather seals. Just got back from the store, gonna go play some video games and eat dinner. So you guys saw me cleaning out the Corvette the other day. Actually, I found something in there. This is a paint inspection sheet from the original purchase. It says, "Congratulations on the purchase of your 1996 Chevy Corvette." I am gonna fill this out and send it in, and we're gonna find out what happens. I'm really excited. It's got name, color, address, VIN number, exterior finish it is, if it's the coupe, the ZR1, or the convertible. And considering the paint on it is not spectacular, I'm probably gonna fill it out with not spectacular comments. Not mean comments, but just be like, it's faded, it's the clear coat's coming off, etc., etc. So I'm really excited to send this in. Using the silhouette on the reverse side, mark the specific area of the exceptions to the paint finish. So I'm just gonna circle the whole thing. Just be like, this needs some work. I don't know. I don't know what I'm expecting, but maybe they'll just be like, you're dumb. Or maybe they'll actually send me a gift card for spray paint or something. But I thought that was pretty cool, and I'm gonna send that in. Well, how about this? I have just a little bit of battery left. I'm gonna shoot some darts, see if I can get a bullseye. Almost got another one. Couldn't quite get it though. But I got two. That's gonna be it for today. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you tomorrow.